with a login. Let's deal right now with a login. All right. Close this. First of all, we need to bring the email and the password. All right. Equal with rec.body. Cool. If email.length is exactly equal with 0, or password.len is exactly equal with 0, okay, what we need? We need to return okay, MSG. We need an MSG which says please fill all the fields. Alright, we will appear it on the front end dynamically. Right now, after this, let's go and say we want right now we want to search user according to the data that he put in sign in a register that put it. Alright. After this, let's write const user equal wait, and of course here we need the async, don't forget it. Await user schema. We need to find one, what we need by email to find the user. Alright, and if not user, what we want? We want to, let's put the return here, guys. I'm just gonna take this, control copy, put it, I'm just gonna say user does not exist, so go to register in order to, you know, go to register. Alright, if I go here right now, oh no, I'm just gonna use again, we got the post. Let's create also another post. Is gonna be, let's see, we need a row and JSON. Let's create here, we need the user, as I told you, by email, and also let's say let me see, why did I wrote here okay, I'm just gonna copy all this. We don't need the name, okay, and only the rest. Of course we need here the endpoint. Of course we have to put login because we are going to deal with login. Right now let's see what did we wrote. If it is 0, let's put it 0. I'm just gonna close all this. If I press look, we see please fill all the fields. Alright, please fill all the fields, 0. If exists the user does not exist. If not user user does not exist, go to register. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna put something else. Alright, I will just put this. The user now does not exist. Okay, this Gmail does not exist, we know it. If I press look, user does not exist, go to register. Alright, I will put this again. If this, okay, let's put these numbers. Password. Let me see. Password. Okay, it is true guys, we expect something else to happen right now. I'm just gonna res.send, for example. Okay, res.send. Okay, let's see the next step. Okay, we don't want this in reality. Alright, let's move. Right now we want to compare the existing password that already created with created in a register, okay, with the password that we put in login. Alright, let's go right now and just write const match. I'm gonna write equal with await. We need the big crypt, okay, dot compare. We need to compare the password that already is in the database with the password that the user creates right now. Okay, password. All right. If not match what we want to return rest.status. All right, 400 and then .json, and we want a message. It's gonna say incorrect password. All right, let's try. Okay, password does not match right now. Let's see. Incorrect password. Right. Let me see. If the password is correct, we're going to see something else. Okay. If login, let's say log in is success. If login success, create token. We need to create token, right? So const payload. Let's create an object. We want the ID is gonna be user dot ID. Okay, it's the user with the ID that we already have. This is the user, and we're going to find it by the ID, the user, right? Let's find also the user. What I'm doing, we want the name user dot name, right? Let's say const token equal with gwt dot sign. We want to sign right now, and the first parameter is the login. There is a payload. Then we need the process dot env. We need the secret. Let me see this gwt. Control copy this, go again here and put it here. Okay. Let me see. Okay, let's put an expire of expires in 1 day. 1 day. Right, this is the token that we created. Let's write now rest.json. What we need to put, we need the token and also the user is gonna be name. We need user dot name. All right, email user dot email, and let's bring also, oh, what happened, let's bring also the ID. All right, user dot ID. Okay. Okay, I expect all these things right now if I go and log in with the correct. If I press this, alright, incorrect password. If I'm gonna put the correct password, we got all these things. Look, we got the token, we got also the user. Alright, that was, guys. I don't want to confuse you with many things, with admins and middlewares and this. We are just going to use only these things. We are gonna make a simple login and generally register and login functionality with protected routes. Alright, this was the end of the back end. I'm going to deal right now with the front end.